What's up mga papi? At dahil nga naka 40% sale si Puma for its 12/12 offering, napabili tayo ng Puma Palermo sa online store ni Puma at yan ang i-unbox natin today. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
And just a disclaimer before mag-start tayo na unboxing, this video is not sponsored by Puma. Binili natin tong shoes na to out of our own pocket kasi sobrang gandang-ganda tayo sa shoes na to. Of course, in the world full of Adidas Samba, I will go for a Palermo any time of the day. Ganyan tayo ka-die-hard kay Puma Palermo. So, konting story time muna tayo. Na-score nga natin tong Palermo sa Puma online store dahil nakakuha ako ng email notification from them that may mga selected items na naka 40% off ngayong 12/12. So, natural, na-curious tayo at pinalo natin yung bouncing ball. Este yung email link pala. And voila, yun nga, from 6,200 pesos yung Puma Mercedes AMG collab, the price dropped to 3,720. So that's around 40% discount. So ayun nga, nataranta na tayo and we gave in and tuluyan na nga natin, nabudol ang sarili natin dito sa Puma Palermo na to. So, let's check out the shoes. Ito nga yung Puma and Mercedes AMG collab. And the shoes is on a black and dark orange colorway. The upper is a combination of canvas and suede. And yung suede part niya is yung dulo, yung tito part ng shoes. Ganda, di ba? Sobrang eye-catching nitong AMG Puma collab na to. Ganda ng shoes. That's the construction of the shoes is very premium. Ayan yung loob niya, pakita natin. Meron siyang logo ng AMG, Mercedes-Benz. So itong Puma Palermo began in the 80s. Originally released as part of a series of sneakers that paid homage to the famous European capitals, including Palermo, yung capital ng Sicily. So, itong Puma na to is a collab with Mercedes AMG. This pays homage to the iconic Mercedes AMG 300 CE 6.0, famously known as the Hammer. So, pag tinignan natin yung isang pair, yung kabilang pair nitong shoes na to, nandun yung Mercedes image dun sa insole niya. So, yung isang insole has the Mercedes AMG logo and the other one has the image of the car. So, itong Palermo is originally designed for soccer training. Pero, mas naging popular siya sa street fashion. And the shoes was reissued 2023 to celebrate its 45th year. So, ayan, kaya nagkaroon ulit tayo ng Palermo. Retro siya. So, retro design, very popular with European football fans. And the shoes comes with a Puma and AMG branding, parang keychain na nakakabit dun sa shoelace niya pag binili nyo. Yan, AMG, Mercedes. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung insole niya may picture nung Hammer na sedan ng Benz. Yan. Yung kabila kasi, di ba, may logo ng AMG. But this other pair has the image of the car itself. Yung AMG Hammer. Yo, no? Yun yung AMG Motorsport for the other pair. And then, ito yung sole niya. Yung gum sole niya, hindi rin yung regular na gum sole. May pattern siya. Para siyang fighting fish. It's a combination of orange and black for the gum sole, just like the colorway of the upper. So that's it. That's our Puma Palermo collab with Mercedes AMG. Sukat na natin. Let's do this!
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This was so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.